Good morning. So today we are going to be reviewing one of my favorite brands, which is Derma E. If you know, you know. I've been rocking with Derma E for a while now, okay? And a few months ago, they sent me their Derma E Retinol Line Smoothie Hydration eye patches, as well as the retinol serum. And you guys can see I put a little bit of a dent in this bad boy. So on a clean face, we're going to start with the anti-aging rejuvenative serum, the Smooth and Renew. And you can use this alone in the evening or in combination with your favorite Derma E product. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it and put a few pumps onto face. This serum is a blend of retinol, baculo, which I'm probably mispronouncing, and glycolic acid that diminishes the appearance of fine line and wrinkles while minimizing visible irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. You'll want to use this 1 to 2 times out of the week and then gradually increasing the frequency until you get to daily use. I really like the fact that this is a very moisturizing serum and it doesn't have much of a scent to it. So that serum is pretty moisturizing, and you guys know that I am an oily prone girl, but I do want to put another moisturizer on top of that just a little bit. I don't want to, I have a Derma E vitamin C moisturizer, but I believe vitamin C and retinol don't mix together. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Light Daily Moisturizers by Good Molecule. There's like nothing really in this, so it's a safe moisturizer to use in combination with the retinol. I'm just going to go ahead and put a very little amount of that onto the areas that I applied the retinol serum, just to give me a little bit more hydration. So next we're going to jump into the eye patches, and I got a full bottle of the eye patches as well as the individual packs of these eye patches as well. So we're going to go ahead and apply those. So these hydrogel patches target wrinkles and crow's feet without irritation. They have that blend of retinol and patchouli. They're also infused with rose water and hibiscus flower to soothe and plump under eyes with nourishing hydration. How you would use this is that during the evening, you will place it on clean, dry under eyes for about 10 minutes, and then you will pat the remaining serum into your skin. If you choose to use this product in the morning, definitely remember to wear sunscreen. So while the eye patches sit and do what they do, let's talk about these products. So the anti-aging rejuvenating serum, I like the fact that this is, it's a serum, but it's not really super lightweight. It has a great amount of moisture to it. I can put this on my skin and I feel like I don't need a moisturizer behind this. It does state that you can wear this alone. I am oily skin, so that could make a difference. If you are more drier skin, you may definitely want to put down some type of moisturizer on top of this, but for me, this is enough alone as a serum. Okay, I like the fact that it doesn't overpower with scent or anything. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's not a scent that's like super fragrant. Have I seen a major difference in maybe like my neck wrinkles from using it or anything like that? I can't see I've seen a major difference in it. Anti-aging is not something that is, in my personal skincare routine, super important because my skin is overall really good. So I'm not really focused super on wrinkles in my skincare routine. It's more so like my acne breakout, but at the same time, I am a 37-year-old woman, so we're gonna be honest and say that, you know, at this point in my life where I am age bracket wise, using retinols in your routine could be key to keeping things soft and smooth. Okay, but I overall like this when I have used it. As you can see, multiple times in my routine, it leaves my skin soft, smooth, and it doesn't irritate me. So I'm not irritated, I'm not peeling or anything of those concerns when it comes to retinol. Now, as far as the retinol line eye patches, I do like them. They're very cooling. You can put these in the fridge too and put them on, and they cool. You can also put them onto other areas of the face if you choose to. That's the fun thing about eye patches. They don't just have to be used as eye patches. I have used it a few times. Like I said, the thing about me is, like, I can't really tell you if there's a difference with the smoothing of the lines or anything, because I don't really have a lot of wrinkles. My thing is more so like my acne, but like I said, it is great to have retinol in your routine. As far as like where I'm at in my age bracket, you know, you want to be preventative. So if I can wear eye patch and it can lessen any wrinkles that are to come, I am all for that, okay? But I do like these. You take them off, you rub in the rest of whatever the serum is left. They don't irritate the under eye. They're quick to put on, so I do like that. So overall, I like the line, but honestly, because I am not gauging wrinkles on my face to tell you if they work as far as like smoothing lines or wrinkles, I can't tell you that. But as in formulation and how they work, they are great. So that's just honestly telling you what it is, okay? I will definitely link both of these products in video as well as down below for you guys to go and check out. But that is the review of the Derma E anti-aging line. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share me with a friend, and I will see you guys in a later video.